Hello guys, welcome back to Chess Journey. In previous video, we have seen bishop's opening, some variation and tactics for white side to get an advanced position. Today we will examine how black can advance defense and get the win position. There are several ways to reply bishop's opening, like knight to f6 Berlin variation, bishop to c5 classical defense, two knight defense, and some transpositions. Among these, knight to f6 Berlin variation and bishop to c5 classical defense are the best reply for black. So in this video we are going to see these two variations plus some tricks for black side to get a better position. First we will see classical defense variation bishop to c5, queen e2. Here rather than playing symmetrical response, black should play knight to f6. After this, if king's gambit variation f4 is played, then d6 declining king's gambit supporting e5 plus opening up light square bishop. Also the bishop pair is eyeing on open king side and this position is not so good for white. So mostly knight to f3 is played with some discover attack plans. Both side castle on king side, c6, knight cross e5 grabbing extra pawn, and d5 attacking bishop and pawn at same time. E cross d5, c cross d5, bishop back to b3, rook e8 pinning knight. Here best move for white is c3 with discover attack on bishop on next move plus free up the dark square bishop path to support knight. We will allow that and play b6, d4 and bishop to a6 winning rook and queen. Queen moves to e1, bishop cross f1, queen cross f1, bishop d6, knight back to f3, knight c6. Here you can see that black is having rook in exchange of light square bishop. All minor pieces are controlling the center, and if you play carefully after this, then definitely win the game. Second good response for bishop opening is knight to f6 Berlin defense. If white plays knight to f3 developing move, then knight to c6 transposing into two knight defense, and after this both can continue with equal game. In previous video, we have seen that best move played by white is d4, transposing Berlin defense into Ponziani's gambit. Do not overthink about capturing on free e4 pawn. Just accept the gambit and play e cross d4, e5 attacking a knight. In reply, we can play d5 or knight to e4. First continue with d5, threatening bishop capture in exchange of knight. If n% capture is played, then bishop will recapture the pawn and black is ahead in development. So best for white is bishop back to b3, knight e4 eyeing on f2, knight f3 supporting e5, bishop to b4 check, bishop d2, bishop back to c5, white castle on king side, knight to c6, knight to a3 and black castle on king side. Back to e5 attacking knight, we can play knight to e4, then f3 to quick back the knight, knight c5, queen cross d4, knight c6 attacking queen, queen c3. This position involves small trap for white's queen. The variation goes like knight e4 attacking queen, and if white falls for this trap and captures the knight, then bishop to b4 pinning the queen and the queen is gone. Here take a look at both positions. Black's all minor pieces are developed and ready for the attack, and the engine is showing near about -2 difference. That is black having upper hand for the mid game. So these are some advancement of black defense in response of bishop's opening. By the way, there are many more possibilities in bishop's opening and lots of traps. If you examine the bishop's opening, you can see that major threats are from light square bishop and queen. If you successfully deflect these two pieces, then the game is all yours. Before leaving, here is a quick puzzle for you. It's black to move and mate. Try to answer this in comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.